Okay everybody, welcome back. I'm now getting myself into deeper and deeper trouble because I found a air compressor that I had that I'm going to use for my train horns. So I decided, let me put it in this toolbox. Behind that you can see I have mounted already the hydraulic setup for the dump kit. Next to that is the compressor. I have not mounted it yet, but I did machine up some bushings. I'm going to TIG weld it to the base of this here. I don't want to drill a lot of holes in this box, so that's why I don't want any water intrusion coming in here. So that's why I'm trying to keep the holes as minimal as possible. But the compressor kit, they tell you to drill holes and whatever, but I'm not doing that. And above that is the air tank. The air tank is going to be controlled. The compressor is going to be pumping the air into the tank, of course, but it's going to be controlled by this relay that came with it. It's basically a big relay with a pressure switch in it. What it does is it has a compressor come on about 110 and turn off at 150. However, as you can see, I had to make this fitting. I drilled and tapped at each end for a 1/4 inch pipe. And then I went to drill the face of it, or the side of it here, with a for 1/8 inch pipe. The tap I used said use a certain drill size. Well, guess what? It was wrong. I should use the R drill like I had on my chart. Even though I probably could get it to work, there still wasn't enough thread engagement. So I had one of these little weld-on female pipe fittings I got from McMaster-Carr, so I just TIG welded it on there. So now this guy needs to actually fit up inside, way up in here. Probably can't even see it. Got to fit way up in that fitting in there, so I got to take everything apart right now, mock it all up. Once I get that mocked up, I'll be able to position my lines, my air lines, and also position exactly where the compressor is going to go. So the next video you'll see is probably going to be all complete. The way I mount this on the truck, I'm going to have plates on the side of this, steel plates on the side, probably a big steel plate, a triangular piece, and then a piece in the back to support it. Because, as I said before, this is very thin wall aluminum, and already the weight of the hydraulic pump setup there is kind of pushing the whole bow in the whole piece, so I definitely got to have a lot of support underneath it. So that's it for now. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.